Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. So guys, I want to show you another powerful indicator on our crush 305 minutes time frames. And this indicator that I want to explain inside this video works on step index. It also works on all boom and crash index. All what you need to do is to understand how this indicator works. So I have my two combination of indicator on this particular chart. You can also get this particular indicator by reaching out to me on my Telegram group, and also you can reach me on my Telegram link directly from the YouTube description. So we can see we have a trend of the market, which is the yellow line that you are seeing on the chart, and we have our arrow on our chart, which is the signal, and that is the signal we are taking for every trade. So we can see that we have the trend of the market. This is the trend of the market, and also this blue line that you see here is also the trend of the market, and this yellow one is for downtrend, and this blue is for uptrend. So but that is not the major thing that we are looking for. The major one that we are looking for is this particular signal indicator that you see here, this arrow indicator. And this arrow indicator does not reprint. Once it appears, it stays permanent on that particular chart, like what you see here. So for you to trade this particular indicator, you have to understand that when the trend is going on a, for example, now we have the yellow line here, which represent that the trend is on the downtrend. It represents that the trend is on the downtrend. So every arrow that you are going to be taking from that particular zone must be a sell entry for red signal. It must be a sell entry for sell signal. And you can see our signal appear at this particular zone. So your entry will be somewhere around there or anywhere around this particular line. Then you can see what the market did, pull back a little bit, then the market go on a massive downtrend. You can see how perfect and how accurate it is. And also if we look here, we can see that we have our trend of the market for uptrend, which is the blue line here. And we can see that the trend that we are going to be taking is going to be our green arrow signal. It's going to be our green arrow signal. Let's say the first green appear here, and this is the second green. And let's say you take the first green as your entry. There's a little pullback, then before again we have another massive one. We have another confirmation again here. So this is the first confirmation, this is another second confirmation. So and we can see how long it is. Don't forget, this is 5-minute time frames. How much, just guess how much you are going to be making on that if you use your lowest lot size on that. And also let me show you more of this. You can see this indicator is very massive, and it is one of the best indicator you can use to support your daily trade and make a massive profit in the market. Now let's see this. We can see that we have the trend of the market for what? For buy zone at this particular area, and we can see the blue line show up, and we are now waiting for our arrow to appear. Once it appears, then you are free to enter the market as you want. You can see that it appears at this particular zone, and we can pull up the market onto a massive zone at this particular area. So that is how this perfect indicator works. So we have another one here, another massive one here. It showed to us that we have a downtrend in the market, and we have our arrow signal for downtrend appear here, which is our signal. It appear here, and we can easily take down the market on a massive downtrend. You can see on a massive downtrend. So the trend go on a massive downtrend until we have our price at this particular zone. So, and also we again, when we see again, we have another signal at this particular area, which represent that our blue line to be our blue line. And we can see that we have among that blue line, we can see that we have the green indicator for what? For uptrend at this particular moment. And we can see it. So this indicator is very massive, and it is one of the best things that you can help yourself with. So let me show you another one. You can see this is another perfect one again. We can see this particular signal for downtrend, which is the yellow line. We can see the indicator appear here. So this first signal appears to be here, and we can see how massive it is. This is our second signal. The trend still continue. Then this is our third one, which is still continue on that massive downtrend. So this indicator is one of the best indicator you can help yourself with. All what you need to do is to reach out to us on our Telegram group, and you are going to get access to this indicator. So also this indicator also works on step index. If you want to use it on step index, or you want to use it on currency pair, it also works on currency pair. So that is how to get this particular indicator. Reach out to us on our Telegram group, and you are going to get access to this indicator, but it is not for free. See you guys in our next video. Thanks.